Guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I shall be guiding you on the easiest way of solving polynomial. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to enable you get updated anytime there is a new video here. The question reads, find the remainder when f of x equals to 2x raised to the power 4 minus 4x raised to the power 2 plus 6x minus 8 is divided by x minus 2. First of all, you write solution. We are going to use a unique method of solving polynomial, and it is called syntactic method. First, you have to equate the divisor, which is x minus 2, to 0. Now you make x subject of the formula, thereby having x is equals to 2. You draw your line, you represent your divisor here. Now go back to the question. Pick the coefficient of the unknowns. Like here, the coefficient of x raised to the power 4 is 2. You write it. If you look at this, you see that after raised to the power 4, there is nothing raised to the power 3 here, and you have 2. So it means that x raised to the power 3 is 0. I mean 0 x raised to the power 3. Which means the coefficient of x raised to the power 3 is 0. You write it. You're not going to omit it. The next power is x raised to the power 2, which has coefficient of minus 4. Then you have x with the coefficient 6. And lastly, the constant, which is minus 8. Now you draw another line. If you look at this line, you see that there is a gap in between the line and the numbers that you've represented. As we go on, you see the reason why we gave this gap. The first thing you will do is to bring down the first digit, which is 2. You bring it down here. Now you can say 2, this 2 multiplied by this 2. You have 4. You write it under the 0. Okay, 0 plus 4 is 4. You write it here. Then this 2 again multiplied by this 4. You have 8. You write it here. Then minus 4 plus 8 is 4. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 2 multiplied by 14 is 28. Minus 8 plus 28 will give you 20. You are not done. After this solving, the last digit is your remainder. So this is our remainder. 20 is our remainder. Then the one after the remainder is your constant. So this is constant and it's positive. The one after it will be written with x in a consecutive manner. I mean, the first one will be x. Here will be x squared, and then here will be x raised to the power 3. So this will be 4x. This will be 4x raised to the power 2. And this will be 2x raised to the power 3. Remainder 20. So that's our final answer. If this video was helpful, please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, drop a comment, and also give it a thumbs up. Thank you and remain blessed.